Hi, I'm Steph, the BMW DIY Guy. And do you want to make your M2 sound more aggressive? I'll show you how. All right, y'all, so let's talk about this project today. And this one's a little bit different and really cool. So we've got this gorgeous F87 M2 Competition in here today, and we have two exhaust setups. We're going to be installing the MAD resonated and non-resonated mid-pipe. I have both of them into one car. So that way we can actually get a comparison between the two. Because the big thing about making exhaust changes that everybody always asks is, what's it sound like? So when you go out to MAD and you check and you say, well, there's a resonated one and a non-resonated one. What's the difference? Well, it's the setup in the mid-pipe itself. The non-resonated is a straight pipe all the way through, where the resonated, it has a resonator in the middle of the mid-pipe. But the best part of this is not only will I show you the DIY to how to install this, because it's exactly the same for both, but then also we'll get a great sound comparison on the same car on the same day with both. And that way you can help understand which one of these two you're going to want to have. All right, so we're going to jump in and get started. Now, I always say this before, anytime we lift the car in the air, I'm going to be using quick jacks today. You can always use a great Road Tech power jack like I've got. But when you put your car in the air, please be careful, right? Don't bet your life on a 5-cent part that could break and put your car on the ground, which even worse is if you're underneath it, right? So if you're using jacks, make sure to use jack stands, use quick jacks, use a power jack from Road Tech, whatever it takes to get it up in the air. But let's get started with that. All right, those are actually you need a 6mm Allen, not a 5, like I said a second ago. And what you're going to have is you've got 13mm nuts here on the hangers. But the very first thing we want to do if you're dropping the entire exhaust line is you want to unplug your valve controller lines right here. There's a little tab. You press on this and then the plug will wiggle off. Just like that. You want to do that on both sides. So go ahead and take your entire exhaust line down. And then we're going to show where exactly. We're going to lay out the new pipes here on the exhaust line to show exactly where we need to cut. And if you're following this video later, you're going to have a huge advantage. You won't have to drop your exhaust line like we're doing right now to show you where these cuts are going to be. You'll have the measurements. As a reminder, if you're following that later, you don't undo the back box hangers. You don't undo these hangers because you won't need to.